Good morning and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started with today's tip. By now, many of you are cutting your grass, and it's important to inspect the blades of your mower. Here's how you do that. With the throttle lever in the stop or off position and the spark plug disconnected, tilt the mower to the right side so the carburetor side is up. This will prevent fuel leakage and hard starting. Next, inspect the blade for wear and damage. A dull blade can be sharpened, but a blade that is worn out, bent, cracked, or otherwise damaged must be replaced. A worn or damaged blade can break, causing pieces of the blade to be thrown from the mower. When the blade needs sharpening or replacement, contact your local Honda dealer. Okay, let's move on to trivia, and today you'll be playing for a Honda roadside safety kit as well as the first aid kit. Question: who is this Honda racer? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we will see you tomorrow.